Hi there, I'm Riley, and I'm glad to be talking to you today. I realize you've got a lot on your plate, so I'll try to make it worth your time. Here's the problem. Most companies struggle to maintain their fleet. Getting an oil change requires taking your truck out of service during the middle of the workday, and your employees, they've got other things on their mind, so oil changes just don't get done. I know this because I used to own a construction company, and like you, we had other things to do, so oil changes didn't get done. So here's an idea. What if a company could come to you and work on your vehicles when you weren't using them? And what if that company had the technology to keep track of your vehicle so maintenance was done on time? Never early, never late. And what if that company used a high quality oil that didn't have to be changed as often? And what if that company didn't use high pressure sales tactics? What if? That would be nice, wouldn't it? Unfortunately for me, back then, that didn't exist. But fortunately for you, it does now. We do this in 4 ways. 1, we're mobile. We can come to you in the evening or the weekends or in those off hours to keep you going during the day. And 2, we use a long life synthetic oil that can go 15,000 miles or 1 year between services. And 3, our vehicle tracking system keeps track of your vehicles individually, so maintenance is done on time, never early, never late, giving you one less thing to think about. And 4, our membership. Instead of bringing you in for a cheap oil change and then trying to sell you everything under the sun, we provide all those extra services as part of your membership. You see, I mentioned our mobile service. That means we can come on the evening, the weekends, the off hours. We can come to the job site, to your home. If your technician takes your truck home, we can even go there on the weekends. They love that. Then comes our long life synthetic oil. That oil is called AMSOIL. You've probably heard of it. By using this oil, we can go longer between oil changes. As I said before, it's 15,000 miles or 1 year. And in some vehicles, we can go 20,000 miles or 1 year between services. Now you would think that an oil capable of going 15,000 miles between services would cost a lot. But guess what? It's part of that membership I talked about. I spoke to you before about our tracking system. Of all the things we do, that's the thing that our customers love the most. I mentioned that most companies have a hard time getting their oil changed during the middle of the workday. You know what's even harder than that? That's getting those oil changes done on time. To solve this, we created a software that tracks how far your vehicles drive. That way, we know when they're due and we'll call and remind you. We manage your fleet so you can manage your business. As a member, you'll receive any of those services whenever they're needed at no extra charge. If we see that your transmission fluid is looking rough, we'll change it. It's part of the membership. If your battery dies, we'll change it. It's part of the membership. Simply put, your vehicles receive the attention they need when they need it, without interrupting your workday or breaking your budget. Your quote is attached at the top of this email, along with some information about our oil, our filters, and our warranty. Call today and I'll go over the details of our system with you. If you're watching this video at midnight, let's wait till tomorrow. Give us a shot. You'll be glad you did. Thank you.